What is Formfactories? Formfactories is the powerhouse software that runs Incept 3D. Crafted from years of experience by our in-house team, Formfactories is designed to streamline every facet of a 3D printing operation. And now, we're excited to offer it to you. Whether you're a for-profit 3D printing service or running an internal operation within your organization, Formfactories allows your customers or coworkers to put in requests for projects. You can open up a conversation, land on the right path forward, and ultimately drag and drop 3D files into the project. From there, you can instantly review all costs and pricing metrics. Once approved, you can then put your factory to work 3D printing their parts. Keep your projects on track with ease. Sort through hundreds or even thousands of projects using filters like materials, machines, due dates, and more. Stay on top of file revisions, machine build files, and production metrics, all within an intuitive interface. Collaboration is key, and Formfactories understands this. With tools for team communication and information sharing, it offers a crisp, responsive environment, with everything happening in real time. Beyond production, manage your inventory, track machine maintenance, process paperwork, and tackle unique challenges specific to your operations. And the best part, it's all browser-based. No downloads, just seamless updates and new features pushed through the cloud, constantly evolving with inputs from our team and users just like you. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this software, I sincerely hope you'll reach out to us. Or, if you'd like to lurk from afar, maybe subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.